Do boxing every day and this will happen to your body. Boxing is one of the oldest and most respected combat sports in the world. For decades, people have associated it with strength, speed, and toughness. But beyond the ring and professional fights, boxing has also become a popular fitness activity. From local gyms to professional training centers, millions of people around the world are lacing up their gloves, not just to fight but to improve their health, confidence, and lifestyle. But here comes the big question. What happens to your body if you do boxing every single day? Is it safe? What are the benefits? Are there any risks you should know about? In this blog post, we'll dive deep into the effects of daily boxing, explore the potential dangers, and explain how this powerful sport can transform not only your body but also your mind and lifestyle. The dangers of boxing, what you must know first. Before we move on to the benefits, let's address the reality. Boxing is a combat sport, and like any sport with physical contact, it carries risks. Injury risk. When sparring, partners can unintentionally cause injuries. Repeated punches, especially to the head, can have long-term consequences for the nervous system. This is why professional boxers limit sparring intensity and always train under supervision. Overuse injuries. Training every day without rest can stress the joints, tendons, and muscles. Wrist injuries, shoulder strains, and knee pain are fairly common among boxers. Head trauma. Frequent, hard sparring increases the risk of concussions and neurological problems later in life. The takeaway? If you want the benefits of daily boxing without the risks, focus on non-contact training, using the heavy bag, shadow boxing, mitt work, cardio drills, and conditioning exercises. How to prevent injuries in boxing. The good news is that you can significantly reduce injury risks by following some simple rules. Warm up properly. Always prepare your body with stretching, light cardio, and mobility drills before training. Cold muscles and joints are more prone to injury. Learn proper technique. Never rush into advanced punches or sparring. A wrong jab or hook with poor form can easily injure your wrist or shoulder. Use protective gear. Invest in quality gloves, wraps, and mouth guards. Equipment is not just for pros, it's essential for amateurs too. Train under supervision. Having an experienced coach helps correct mistakes and prevent long-term damage. Try non-contact boxing, bag work, shadow boxing, and fitness-style drills offer 90% of the benefits with far fewer risks. By following these precautions, you can enjoy boxing every day safely. Boxing and the cardiovascular system. One of the first noticeable changes in your body after daily boxing is improved heart health. Boxing combines aerobic, running, skipping, light drills, and anaerobic, short bursts of explosive punching, high-intensity intervals, exercises. This combination makes it a powerful cardio workout. Your heart muscle strengthens. Blood circulation improves, delivering oxygen more efficiently to your muscles. Resting heart rate drops, which is a sign of cardiovascular fitness. You gain endurance. After a month of training, activities that used to tire you out feel much easier. If you want a stronger heart, better stamina, and more energy throughout the day, boxing provides it naturally. Boxing and the musculoskeletal system. Many people worry that boxing might be bad for the joints. The truth is quite the opposite. When done properly, it strengthens the entire musculoskeletal system. Punching, footwork, and conditioning exercises increase blood flow to muscles and joints. Shoulders, arms, and chest muscles become toned and strong. Leg work, from jumping rope and foot drills, builds explosive power and endurance in the lower body. Core muscles are constantly engaged, creating a strong midsection that supports posture and stability. The result is a more balanced and athletic body with strong joints, flexible movements, and excellent coordination. Boxing and body shape transformation. If your goal is to lose fat, gain muscle, and look athletic, boxing every day is one of the fastest ways to achieve it. Here's how. High calorie burn. A 1-hour boxing workout can burn 600 to 1,000 calories, depending on intensity. Full body workout. Unlike isolated gym exercises, boxing engages your arms, shoulders, back, chest, core, and legs all at once. Muscle definition. Punching builds lean, functional muscle instead of bulky, heavy mass. Fat loss. Daily boxing melts away fat while preserving muscle tone, giving you that lean and sculpted look. Many women choose boxing not for fighting but because it sculpts the body beautifully, slimmer waist, toned arms, and strong legs. For men, it creates an athletic build without excessive bulk. Boxing for self-defense. One of the biggest practical benefits of boxing is self-defense. You learn how to throw effective punches. You develop quick reflexes and awareness of surroundings. Training improves confidence, making you less likely to panic in stressful situations. Even if you never plan to fight, knowing that you have the skills to protect yourself brings peace of mind. Boxing and mental health. Boxing is not only a physical workout, it's also a form of psychotherapy. Stress relief. Hitting a bag after a long day releases pent-up frustration and tension. Emotional control. Training teaches discipline, composure, and how to channel negative emotions constructively. Confidence boost. As your body changes and your skills improve, your self-esteem naturally grows. Better sleep. The physical exhaustion from boxing helps regulate sleep cycles. Boxing trains the mind as much as the body. It makes you resilient, focused, and calm under pressure. Boxing, social life, and productivity. Boxing classes are highly social. You'll meet new people, share experiences, and build a supportive community. This can improve your communication skills. Expand your circle of friends. Increase motivation since training with others keeps you accountable. Beyond social benefits, boxing also improves productivity in daily life. Why? Because it instills discipline. You learn to follow a daily routine. You become more organized with time. You develop the habit of pushing yourself consistently. Many people find that the mental discipline they gain from boxing translates directly into better performance at work or school. Boxing has no age limit. Another wonderful aspect of boxing is that it's for everyone. Men and women of all ages can practice it. You can start in your 30s, 40s, or even later as long as your health allows. Women benefit not just from fitness but also from self-defense skills. Training intensity can always be adjusted to your personal level. Whether you're young and energetic or older and looking to stay active, boxing adapts to you. What happens to your body after boxing every day? Let's break down the timeline of changes you'll notice if you stick to daily training. After 1 week, you'll feel sore but your body will already start adapting. Sleep improves and energy levels rise. After 1 month, noticeable weight loss if combined with proper diet, stronger muscles, better stamina, and more confidence. After 3 months, your body will look leaner, faster, and more athletic. Friends and family will start noticing the difference. Mentally, you'll feel calmer and more disciplined. After 6 to 12 months, boxing becomes part of your lifestyle. You'll have a fit body, strong mind, and a routine that supports productivity and confidence in all areas of life. Final thoughts. So, what happens if you do boxing every day? Your heart, lungs, and stamina improve. Your muscles and joints grow stronger. Your body shape transforms, leaner, fitter, more athletic. You gain self-defense skills and mental resilience. Your confidence, discipline, and productivity increase. Your social life becomes richer and your stress levels drop. Of course, you must be smart about it. Avoid excessive sparring, use proper equipment, and give your body recovery when needed. But overall, boxing is one of the most powerful and rewarding sports you can practice, no matter your age or gender. So grab your gloves, step into the gym, and see how boxing can change your life.